Change speech to text in CapCut PC. After you open the CapCut, now I imported my voice. Now here is the speech. So my speech now is in English. Now if I want to get like Arabic text, or if you want to get like Chinese or Spanish text from your English voice, let me show you how to do it. Now here is now the speech. Now you can tap on this caption button. After you go to the caption, here it says spoken language. Select the language that you want to get the text from it. So the language is, I want to get like French language, French text, or I want to get like Germany text from the English language. After you select the language in this option, just tap on this generate button. So now, as you can see, now has finished generating the text for me. So just highlight the text all. After you highlight all the text, so tap on this caption in this option. So by tapping on this caption from this option, now here you can be able now to see all your text. Now you can go ahead now and follow all the text and copy them. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.